Welcome back. So for this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to implement your Shopify e-commerce chatbot using GoBeyond.ai, which will automatically turn your Shopify store into a chatbot on ChatFuel, and it will have a lot of those really smart features that we've talked about, which is auto abandoned cart, upselling, downselling, shipping questions that are answered via the AI engine. It'll automatically take all your products from your store and put them inside your bot, and much, much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to implement it. It will take you about 10 minutes. This video, I'm going to go real slow and show you every little thing, so it might take me a little bit longer to show it. But bear in mind that this is extremely powerful. And then to top it all off, it connects to ChatFuel, which is one of the most powerful bot building tools out there. And this plugin does a lot of the really heavy lifting for you. So first and foremost, you want to go ahead and download it to your Shopify store. So you can come to the Shopify apps and just type Go Beyond, and it's right here. And then once you're here, you want to push the Get button, which will help you download it. So in my case, I already have it downloaded, so I won't be able to do that. Another way you can download this app really easily is if you're on our homepage, GoBeyond.ai, just come down to FAQ, and bam, here's the link to the download. It'll take you to the same page. It'll take you right here. And then from here, go ahead and press the Get button and then install the app. After you've installed it, you're going to see the onboarding screen. Automatically, GoBeyond gives you a 30-day free trial of their top package, the Diamond package, which gives you access to every single feature, everything that the bot can do. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you could set up the bot and how you can connect it. It's almost a set it and forget it solution. So let's jump right in. So launch my bot. So the first thing I do is I let it connect to Facebook. Now we just did that. Next, we're going to set up the upsell. Now, let me tell you how the upsell works and what it does exactly. So imagine that someone just came to your store and bought an item. Let's say they bought a t-shirt. If you, within a small window of time, give them the opportunity to buy another item, 1 in 3 people will buy that second item. So upselling and downselling is a tremendous way to increase revenues for a store. Now, what this part will do is it will automatically upsell and downsell via email and via messenger. We want to pick an item that we want to upsell. So in this, I'll upsell aha moments, and then I'll enter a coupon code. This could be literally whatever you want it to be. So for me, since it's an upsell, I'll just put upsell 1. And then for this, I'll put upsell 2. And here I'll do upsell 3. And now I know right off the top of my head that I'm upselling these 3 items. And you can pick whatever 3 items you want. So in my case, this is just a sample store, so I don't even have 3 items. So I'm just going to repeat these, and it doesn't matter which ones they are in order for this to work. And then I'm going to add the percentage. So I'm going to give them 10% off. Just make them really feel good about life. Then I'll up the next one to 15 and then 20. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'll just start it at 15. I'll do 20 and then I'll do 25. And the way this feature works is, again, someone just bought something and they get an upsell. If they don't take action, they'll get a downsell. So let's enter the coupon code here. And then here I'll just put D2 and D3 because I know that's what they are. If they don't take action on the upsell, it sends them to a downsell. If they buy from the downsell, then it gives them the second upsell. Okay? If they don't buy, it just stops there. So it gives them the opportunity to buy 2 times. If they buy, it gives them another one. If they buy again, they get another upsell. So if they buy, so let's say you sold a t-shirt, they got upsell 1, they bought, they got another upsell 2, they didn't buy, they got downsell 1, right? They decided to buy downsell 1, they got upsell 3. They decided not to buy on upsell 3, they got downsell 2. And then the pattern stopped. So this is how this feature works. It's very, very powerful. It will substantially increase your sales. Next is we have this feature called lead capture and sale. Now, what does that mean? Well, there's a good chance that people that have never been to your website will find your bot. They could find your bot on Messenger, in the Discover tab. Facebook Messenger might recommend it to them. They might hear about it from a friend. They just might be playing around Messenger, be searching and finding it. There's a number of ways they can come across your bot. When they do, what we want to do is we want to capture their information and give it to you. So the best way to do that is to give them some kind of an enticing offer. So in this case, we give them a discount in exchange for their information. And the discount code, you can make up whatever you want it to be, like a new customer. And then here's our most powerful and one of the most beloved features. And then is the auto abandon cart. Now, you probably already know that about 69% of people abandon their carts. What this feature does is it will reach out to them and remind them to finish shopping. So, and it does this again via email, which is shown to be very successful. And it also does it through chatbot. So the first thing you want to do is tell it when you want your first reminder to be. We recommend 4 hours. And then for the second reminder, you can do 1 day, and then I would do 2 days. But you're welcome to do as you please. So here you enter the coupon code. So you could say abandon cart 1, abandon cart 2, abandon cart 3. Okay, discount will say 10%, 15, and 20. Probably for the first one you want to do 0. So we'll just go ahead and keep it at 0, 10, and 20. And then last but not least, and this is your average delivery time. Now, how long does it take you to deliver the average package? If you're shipping stuff from China, it might be as much as 21 days. If you're shipping it in the United States, it might be 5 to 7 days. It might be longer, it might be shorter, depending on your personal circumstances. But put whatever your average delivery time is. So let's say that it's 20 days. Now let me tell you how this feature works. Someone comes to your Facebook page for your store. They come to your page, and you probably, if you have a really busy store, people are doing this right now. They're coming to your page and they're asking you, when is my t-shirt coming? Okay. They ordered it on, let's say, January 1st. It's January 10th. And now they're asking your store, they're emailing you, they're asking, when is it coming? Now, if they ask this question to your business page, this bot will automatically respond with a time based on the number you give it. So let's say that customer bought a t-shirt on January 1st. Now it's January 10th. They're asking your Facebook page, in other words, your bot, and the bot will ask them, hey, what's your email address or what's your order number? It'll look them up in the database. It'll do the math and it'll say your package should be coming in the next 10 days or it should be coming in the next 5 days. And then the bot lets them opt into shipping updates. So let's say that it's 3 days away. It'll say, hey, your package is coming in the next 3 days or so. And this will keep people excited about the product. Now, after they've received the product, once you put this in there, we'll know that, hey, they probably received it on the 20th day. So on the 21st day, they'll get a message, say, hey, just want to make sure you got your item, right? When they say yes, then it'll ask them, hey, how are you liking it? If they like the item, it'll ask them for a review. It'll even ask them to upload a video review of them wearing the product. And whenever they do that, we go ahead and we email that video review to you. So once you've done this, push the next button. Now, next, we're going to log into ChatFuel. So as you can see, I'm already logged into ChatFuel. And when you log into ChatFuel, what you need to do is come over here to the Shopify e-commerce, and boom, you're right in the template. So you've chosen our template on ChatFuel, which is great. Next, what you want to do is you want to launch your bot on that corresponding page. So let's come over here and let's do that. So here is your bot. Now, in your bot, we've automatically done a lot of things. So you definitely do not want to alter any of these blocks that say do not alter. Let me give you an example of how they work so you know what we're talking about here. They're using APIs that connect ChatFuel with your Shopify through GoBeyond. GoBeyond is automatically taking all of your store's information, like your products, your trending products, who's purchased it, when, your customers' information, and it's communicating back and forth so we can get the sort of information and where we can capture a lead, where we can automatically do a lot of those things. So what you want to do next is you want to connect this bot to your Facebook page. So let's go to the configure. And here you're going to have all the different pages on your account. Okay, so you want to pick the corresponding page for it. So in this case, we'll just connect it to Go Beyond. And then I can even push the test this button. And just like that, our store is live. So here is this first message. This is the first message anyone will see. You definitely want to change that. So let's go ahead and head back to the onboarding just so we'll see where we are. Boom, launch it in ChatFuel. Done. Congratulations, you did it. So before we finish with that, let me show you how to update your message. So you want to come in here, and here is your welcome message. You definitely want to change this. You want to change it to hi, and we'll be really fancy here. I will do first name. Welcome to my store. Okay. And then they can enter your store. And then if you wanted to, you could even add an image. So let's say we wanted like our logo over here. We can go ahead and say, okay, we'll go ahead and we'll use this red logo. Why not? There it is. Hey, welcome to our store. They can enter store. And then anytime you change something, you can go ahead and test it and view it on Messenger. And it's just like that. It's live. So we literally spent maybe about 5 or 10 minutes on this, and we already have a bot that's alive. And let's see what the bot looks like now that it's here. So it'll show our collections. Remember, we don't have any products on the store, so this might be a pretty bad example. Here is an example of a store, another store that's using our bot, and says, see, so here's the first lead capture and sale. It says, hey Stefan, thanks for using the bot. I have a free gift for you. And I'll say, yeah, let me see, get the free gift. And what email do you want me to send it to you? Right away, it's capturing my email. And I'll do stefan@gmail.com. This is not my real email. And then it's like, got it. And it's, have a great day. So congratulations, you've done it. The bot is set up and it's working. Next, I'm going to show you how each feature works if you wanted to change anything around. And you can change things around at any time. We also have a lot of other tutorials that can help you with setting up your bot. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out and ask. Also, the really cool thing here is that there's a pretty cool way to earn money on this. First Joiner affiliate program will give you a link, and when you share our program with other people, we give you 25% of the proceeds. So if someone's on the $100 a month package, it means you're making $25 a month. And if you had 100 people like that, it's $2,500 a month. I mean, it's a pretty good chunk of change.